I'm going to compare Beehiiv and Convertkit. Beehiiv is ideal for creators focused on content-driven newsletters and audience growth. Convertkit is better suited for selling digital products, courses, and coaching services. Beehiiv offers integrated referral programs, advanced analytics, and SEO-optimized articles. Convertkit provides complex automations, landing pages, and payment options like pay what you want. Beehiiv is generally more affordable, with flat-rate pricing. Convertkit's free plan supports up to 10,000 subscribers, while Beehiiv's free plan supports up to 2,500. Beehiiv includes tools like audience polls and targeted ads for newsletter growth. Convertkit focuses on cross-promotion and funnel building for audience conversion.